WNO's regular schools programme is a project that runs through a whole academic year, and we go in and work with a year group of children once a week. And the aim of the project is to introduce children to the world of opera, to learn about classical music, operatic stories, to teach them the basics of safe singing technique, and also to fill them with enthusiasm and confidence.
Okay, so opera is where you can tell a story on stage with a lot of different characters.
So you add more drama than normal singers.
Opera's like when you say a story through music and like acting.
Yeah, opera is a mix of singing and drama.
Because you can sing without a microphone. I can't sing without a microphone. I have a microphone to make it louder.
Yeah, you gotta have like quite a loud voice, and like you gotta be like, you can't be like really shy if you're doing opera, because you gotta do like a really loud voice.
It is introducing opera to children in a fun and creative way.
Is it about music and opera? Yes, it is. Sometimes those schools don't have any provision for music at all. In my mind, the project is about confidence, deportment, getting rid of anxieties, being able to stand up in front of your colleagues and speak or sing.
I think they enjoy that it's almost a completely different session in their week. It's not led by me, the class teacher. I partake in it. I'm like them for that hour, and I think lots of them like that. It allows them to work with anyone. It's more of a level playing field than any other lesson that we do. There's expectation on them. I like the fact that Dan and Sian are, come on, we're going to do this, let's go for it. I think it suits them that they meet people called Dan and Sian who aren't teachers.
Well done. This is the bit that kids really enjoy. We take a mainstream opera and we dissect it. We pull the story apart, we act it out, we learn a little bit of the music each week. And I have to say that for the kids, looking at kind of adult operas are the ones they really enjoy, something that's got some real drama in it. So we recently looked at Carmen, which went down really well.
My favourite opera is probably Madame Butterfly, because I don't know, I just really liked that story, and it was, well, that opera.
My favourite part is where Carmen like walks around, acts like she's the boss, and at the end she just chucks a flower at what was his name again?
Don Jose.
Yeah.
Don Jose.
Ooh, now that's a tough one. I like the one we're learning about now.
Yeah.
With Ken Mach and Horse Ears.
Yeah.
I quite like that one.
As a school, we are working hard towards the new curriculum. We've been part of the planning for it as well. When I saw this plan, I knew it would encompass everything the new curriculum is asking of us to do. It's supposed to be bespoke to a school. It's supposed to be all-encompassing. It's supposed to be thematic. Everything about this session is thematic. WNO let us know what they're going to be studying, and we make sure our themes go with whatever they are studying in with the operas. So we learn the history, we learn the geography, we learn the music, we learn the language of it. And as a school, we feel it is bespoke to our school.
As part of the regular schools programme, the SEND work is weekly singing engagement sessions using music to facilitate engagement. As an opera company, we're passionate about telling stories through song, and that's what we believe that all children of all abilities can do.
Within an SEND context, it's a real joy to see the way that the children develop week on week. We use quite a lot of repetition of songs within those sessions, and we sort of grow the repertoire through the term. And it's lovely to see children slowly come alive during those sessions and to see them participate more and more. We use some Makaton signing in the sessions, and that has really encouraged children to start to use their vocality. Not everyone in the sessions is able to vocalise, but it's really clear that people are able to engage in those sessions in lots of different individual ways, and that's a real delight to see.